18 isn't a shield. It's a signature on every choice you make. We're playing this entire 17-minute outside encounter. I'll jump in only when the law matters, then let the raw audio roll. Today's angle is simple. Alcohol is present, a blade is mentioned, a fake-looking pistol appears, and a 17-year-old is nearby. Listen for how quickly hanging out becomes real charges. Clip starts now.
Come here.
Jack it up.
Put your hand on top of your head. Turn around, face away from me. What is this?
Nothing nicotine.
Grab it for me.
Yeah, I take off my jacket if you want.
No, you're fine. That's fine. Just want to make sure that's what it was.
My bad. I get nervous. I start shaking. I just don't.
You're fine. You're good. You're good.
I'm the one.
How old are you?
21.
How old are you?
19.
You.
18.
You.
17.
You.
19.
19, 17. You're drinking alcohol. You're drinking alcohol. You're drinking alcohol.
I'm not drinking. I just got
You
here.
guys are all in the group, right?
Yeah, but I'm not.
I don't care. You in the group?
But yeah,
That's what it is. And then you're carrying a plastic gun in your waist.
I just got here now.
Which one of you two had the red stuff in your hands?
I had it, but
Okay.
I just
You dropped it?
No, I dropped. I was putting it down when you said put it down, and then I hand knocked it over.
Your hand knocked it over?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to jail. Because I'm pretty sure I said do not dump it. You can make all the faces you want.
Okay.
You can make all the faces you want. You're right. It is fine.
Okay.
You're going to jail.
Okay.
Destruction of property.
Because I knocked something over.
Yep, that's it.
I'm gonna call my mom. So.
First of all, whoa. Do not do that. You crazy?
Oh yeah.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh yeah. Can you call Lindsay May? Call her right now.
Put your phone down.
Unless you want to go too. You go too?
You're not touching me.
You know what?
No,
Have a
it's
seat.
cool.
Have a
Listen,
seat.
It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Because I can come back.
Have a seat. You can call whoever you want. Have a seat.
I have a field day with this.
Oh, we are. You're under arrest.
Okay.
Have a seat.
Oh, bro, come on.
Have a seat.
They're doing just.
Have a seat.
My sister's a cop, so.
I don't care who your sister is.
No, he's not trying to flex.
No, I'm not flexing. I'm just trying to tell her.
Have a seat.
Is it cool if I sit like?
Have a seat right there. That's where it's cool.
Can I take some of your
IDs from everybody.
Here, let me see this.
Mine is in the car.
Your body cams are on them.
Absolutely. They've been recording the entire time.
Not being disrespectful, I'm just,
No, you know what? You're also going in for resisting arrest.
I didn't resist nothing.
You pulled away from me.
I didn't resist nothing.
Okay, don't worry.
I'm on the field day.
We're going to see about that, ma'am.
I don't like. Yeah, there's more under the.
Yeah, I know. We're going to need another unit. She's going. Whoever's 21, they're going. You're trespassing. You can't come back here. Yeah. Oh, you can't. Absolutely. Knowing is half the battle, sir. That's hers. I threw it?
Yeah.
Don't talk to these.
It's loud.
All right.
Keep that same energy, ma'am. All right. So, I know the answer. Whose backpack? Correct.
Yep.
Did you see me?
Huh?
You didn't see me? You didn't see me up in the front? No? I've been watching all you guys the entire time. Whose white truck is it? You came in it with her. Okay? You came in a Dodge.
No, I don't drive a Dodge.
That was you, sorry. That was you. Yeah, you were on foot the last time I saw you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, awesome. You 21?
Yes, sir.
How did you get this?
Slaughter.
I'm gonna ask you one more time. Take your glasses off for me so I can see your eyes.
Yes, sir.
Where did you get this?
Some person.
Some person? Okay. And how old did you say you were, ma'am?
Who talks to
You?
18.
18, so it means I don't have to talk to your parents.
So you got your ID, bro? Yes, sir. There you go.
Phenomenal.
Truck?
And now you get charged as an adult.
In the truck?
I have a picture of it.
That's fine. I don't.
Anything else I'm gonna find in here crazy, man?
I don't think so. No, nothing crazy. Man.
Nothing crazy. It's just a blade, huh?
Just a little fucking knife.
Fucking knife. All right. I'm gonna put it right back in there and close it, all right?
No, I had to tell you how to take down on me at first.
Yeah, that's kind of stupid. Yeah, absolutely. That would have been really bad. That's actually smart of you to tell me that, okay? We got ID on her?
Not yet. It's in her truck or it's on her phone.
Let's run it by name, date of birth. Let's just run it by name, date of birth. It's all the way in the front.
Audit 1. Evidence. When an officer orders, "Don't dump that," throwing or pouring anyway can be destruction or tampering if the item links to a potential crime. Even a cup or a bag can be evidence.
Let's just run it by name, date of birth.
Let's just make sure you don't make any calls, okay?
Oh, you're good.
Do you have a driver's license?
I have a Florida state ID's license.
Okay.
If I
Do you have a driver's license?
If I do get a call, can I accept it? Cause I.
No, you're not.
Okay.
Do you have a driver's license?
I don't have driver's license ID though.
But you have ID?
Alright, yes, sir.
He's got my driver's license.
Florida? Everybody's from Florida?
Florida.
You're from Florida too?
Back to the clip.
Sir, you ID from Florida too?
Yeah, it's
Put your phone down. Put it away.
Oh no, I thought you wanted me to get you the picture.
Come here.
I'll show it to you. All right.
How is he? I'll give you your phone back. Sir.
AJ Morales.
No, sir. And this is you. All right, so she's 18, possession of alcohol and resisting. You're going for dope. Who's 21? You're 21, contributing to the delinquency of a minor. How old are you? 19. That's your backpack. You're going in for the dope. And you, ma'am, you might want to start calling your parents.
After I get that DL number.
So make sure we get that DL number first.
So I'm being detained.
No, sir, you are under arrest at this time. Under arrest. Possession of narcotics and contributing to the delinquency of a minor. She's 17. She's also getting charged with contributing to a delinquency of a minor. All of them are. She's 17, so this is stupid.
Sorry, I like shooting.
This looks like a real pistol. You understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Like a real gun. You having this in your pants, on your shorts, whatever it is dumb. You could have gotten shot with this. Thankfully, you told us,
to tell you,
and we're good. That's fine. You did the right thing. Everything you did was correct. Everything you've done so far has been correct, okay?
Mm-hmm.
But this is stupid, man. This can get you hurt really, really, really bad. You understand that?
Sorry about that. Alright, she's the only juvenile?
She's the only juvenile. Everybody else is...
Go ahead and call mom or dad. Who lives locally? You live with your aunt? Yeah. She's your guardian?
Yeah.
Where does she live?
Where I live.
Where's that?
So I'm sorry. I'm getting charged for,
Contributing to the delinquency of a minor.
which means.
She's 17. There's alcohol and narcotics
Okay.
that she was using.
Okay.
Because you're 21, you get charged for contributing to the delinquency of a minor.
Okay.
Let me see that ball cap you got.
See mask?
It's not a sea mask. That's not a sea mask.
So that's not a see mask?
That's a balaclava. In the state of Florida, it's illegal to have it, just in case you didn't know. Yeah.
I didn't do that. I usually wear them like a beanie on my head.
Me, my stepdad.
Where's you guys go wear masks like that?
Okay.
No, they
I
roll
work
them
for,
up, so
okay,
like a
I work,
beanie.
and when it's cold
She's the
out,
only juvenile here?
whenever it's cold out, we'll wear that because that's the only way we can breathe out there.
Hey, Cody. Cody,
Oh yeah, there is gonna be.
we're gonna walk everybody to your car, bro. Put all this stuff inside. You've got pat down already?
You know how to get behind
Where you patted down?
No, sir.
Do you have any weapons on you?
I do not.
Anything you're not supposed to have on you?
Do not. I'm at vape.
Where is it?
Yeah, I mean that'll work too.
Put it out.
Or if you drive around.
I don't care about your vape. Anything else?
No, sir.
Turn around, face away from me.
You drive on it.
All right, put this backpack on. Do not touch anything inside the backpack, you understand? Everybody on your feet. We're going to follow the deputy all the way to his car. Go ahead, stand up for me. Follow him.
My keys.
I have him. Keep going.
Oh, you have?
Keep up. Stop pulling from me.
Well, you're walking too slow.
Stop pulling from me. Keep up. Hey, your backseat clean?
Yeah. Ford, have a seat here, okay? We'll be with you in just a minute.
I'm in the car. How much more you want me to be on the car?
Turn around, face me. Have a seat. Push yourself in. Lean back.
sir.
Yeah.
It's 2:23. My cousin gets out at 2:30. Am I being detained?
Yeah, you are detained.
I was just asking because I had to go pick him up.
You should have thought about that before coming in here and being with drugs and alcohol with minors.
No, I'm the designated driver there. Like,
I don't care who you are. It doesn't matter. Designated driver? You're not a designated driver for anything. They're not 21 years old. They're not 21 years of age.
Audit 2, contributing. If you're over 21 with a 17-year-old who has alcohol or drugs, contributing to the delinquency of a minor can attach even without a sale. Proximity plus facilitation is often enough.
Okay, it's kind of like useless arguing with you. Ma'am, let me ask you a couple of questions. No?
Oh, my here. Well, what are the questions? Yeah, that's it.
I don't have it. When she gets here, we'll talk. Actually, you know your vehicle was being used in the commission of a crime, right? So I can tow the car.
But I'm also ready for
Rolling again.
I understand that. No, there isn't a problem. You came in here to commit a crime. That's the problem. And I guess you guys haven't realized the problem yet.
No, I would just prefer to wait for my
Absolutely. That's your right. Absolutely. Absolutely. We'll talk when she gets here.
trespassing signs back here?
What?
Are there no trespassing signs back here? Oh man, I actually
It's got actually the starting everything on it. It says for your protection, all Monroe County Sheriff's Office deputies, detectives, lieutenants, sergeants, captains, majors, everybody that works for the Monroe County Sheriff's Office. That's all private property. I'm sure. She's definitely going. She pulled away from me. She started walking away from me, so she's going for that. I told her, I kept my eye on her the entire time. That's why I said, do not throw it away, do not throw it away, and she went and dumped it. So she's getting destruction of evidence and contributing to the delinquency of a minor. She's 18 and she's 17.
Okay.
And they were sitting next to each other. They came in the same car, so that can be articulated perfectly. I'm good with them. He wasn't. I didn't see him with anything in his hands. So I don't want,
Who's the green stuff belong to?
what green stuff? Oh, Red guy, which is the owner of the backpack, which is the one who had all the alcohol and all that stuff. So at the bare minimum, contributing to the delinquency of a minor.
Okay.
So
He said that's his stuff.
it was all in his bag. I saw him with the bag. I saw everything. I've been following them for now for a little bit, and this is his bag. He claimed it and all that stuff. I'm going to ask him anyways, but that's got to be posted.
Yeah. You want the card?
Yes. I don't have it with me. Red shirt.
Red?
I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions, all right? But before we do that, I gotta talk to you. I gotta read you your stuff, okay?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. Okay, with this right in mind, do you want to talk to me?
I do.
Okay. You and I know that's your backpack.
Yep.
You already claimed it anyway, so
I was gonna tell you.
I know you're being honest, so I don't have a problem with that.
Yeah.
Now, the alcohol that was inside, was that yours?
Yes, sir. That's fine.
Okay. The dope. Was that yours?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want to tell me where you get it?
The weed?
Yeah.
I don't even know the person's name. Like, it's not.
Is it local or is it outside?
I'm going like it's up in Miami. Yeah.
All right. At the house. I don't see. I mean, unless you see something else, Cody. But I don't see anything on the corners. The corners,
Okay.
you know, they're just gonna get a slap in the wrist, go home, don't do his stuff again.
Yeah. I mean, this
Girl is coming. Mom's coming, right?
aunt.
On for the girl?
Yes. She lives with her aunt. This guy wasn't even with the group.
No,
He was actually
he was
out
out.
around the other side.
I mean, he was with them.
Guilty,
he was-
guilty
yeah.
by association.
Right.
He was there,
Okay.
but he wasn't in the immediate area.
And he didn't
where-
have any alcohol on him or anything like
And
that.
how old's the kid in the red?
Hey, Red, how old are you?
19.
And how old's the purple girl?
17.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I asked. The first thing that pops in my head.
Okay.
All right, hear me out. For you two. Stand up. If you don't want to sit down, you can stand up. You're not going anywhere, but you can stand up if you don't want to be sitting down. Here's the deal. You two. She's 17. You're not 17 anymore. Neither are you. If she gets into trouble for whatever, you guys go to jail. Do you understand how that works?
Yeah, I know. It's just like
We don't
his
have to
girlfriend,
agree with it.
You know?
You understand what? I get it.
Yeah.
I'm not arguing with you guys about this
Yeah,
stuff.
no, I just literally just got here and I was like, oh, you know, I'm gonna skip some rocks.
Listen to me. I'm not arguing that. I'm not saying you guys did anything horrible.
Audit
Here's the
3,
problem.
resisting
17,
without
she's got
violence.
alcohol and
You don't
weed.
have to throw a punch.
guys are standing
Pulling
next to her,
away,
guess what happens?
walking off, or refusing
Contributing
lawful
to the delinquency of a
commands
minor.
during
She's a
detention
minor.
or
She's not
arrest
18.
can
You
qualify
guys go to
as
jail.
resisting
You
without
understand?
violence.
So, not just her, whenever you're around anybody, I suggest you go, how old are you? And they go 17, you go, I'm not either hanging around with you, or if we are going to hang around with each other, we're not doing anything illegal. Because you guys can get in trouble. Do you understand?
Understand.
For you, this is not you talking to me.
Final
this is me talking to
stretch.
you. I understand you're trying to hang around with them or whatever. I get it. Okay, you guys, this is not a crime of the century. I understand that. But you need to understand that when you're putting your friends in that predicament, they can get in trouble. You're not going to go to jail. You see what I'm saying? You're not going to jail. They're going to go to jail for you. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you putting them in a situation where you're going to get a slap in the wrist, and they're going to end up going to jail. And not just them, your friend in the car, and your boyfriend, correct? Is it your boyfriend? And your boyfriend. So it's on you guys.
All right, you need that for anything else?
I'm done with them.
Gentlemen, be feet. Miss, you need to stay here. Wait for your answer.
You two guys,
That you can throw it away.
you guys two can go.
Alright, ski mask, gone.
You can go. We're going to put it into evidence.
Alright. Bye, Byron. Bye, guys.
There you go.
That's where it's parked. You got to go that way.
Guys, you got to walk around the front. You're not supposed to be in the back. You didn't park behind the thing.
In the end, Jendayi was charged with resisting an officer without violence, destroying or altering evidence, possession of liquor under 21 years of age, and contributing to the delinquency of a minor. She entered a pretrial diversion program and was ordered to pay $390 in costs and fees. However, she did not fully satisfy all of the terms and the resisting charge was reopened. She pled no contest and was adjudicated guilty in order to pay $890 in costs and fees. Between the two cases, she has an outstanding balance of $100. Byron was charged with possession of marijuana not more than 20 grams, possession of liquor by a person under 21, and contributing to the delinquency of a minor. He entered a pretrial diversion program and was ordered to pay $410 in costs and fees. 7 months later, it was determined that he did not satisfy the terms of the program and a warrant was issued for his arrest.
Reality check. At 18, small choices carry adult weight. Dumping evidence, being the only 21-year-old near a minor with alcohol, or pulling away from a lawful command. Keep calm, keep your hands visible, and keep arguments for court. Laws vary by state. This is educational, not legal advice.